morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Joseph Academy's online classes. Today, I, your maths teacher, Parul Tomar, will teach you your maths book, class 1, and the topic is Review Worksheet 8, which is given on the last page of the book, page number 116. Students, we have already completed all these exercises. This worksheet is based on last few chapters only. So, we will learn, revise and practice them through this review worksheet. Our first question is, write 151 to 60. Here we have to write all the numbers from 151 to 160. So let's start. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Question number 2. Write in the long form and also write the number name. Here we are having 4 digits. First we have to write them in long form or expanded form, and then we have to write their number names. Now what is long form or expanded form? So when we write some number by splitting them into ones, tens and hundred, that is called expanded form. Let's see. 115, it means it has 100 plus 10 tens plus 5 ones. 109, 100 plus 0 tens plus 9 ones. 136, 100 plus 30 tens plus 6 ones. 163, 100 plus 60 tens plus 3 ones. Now we have to write their number names. The first one is 115. So we will write ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and 15 FIFTEEN 15. 109. So 100 and NINE 9. 136. 100 and 30 THIRTY 30 SIX 163. 100 HUNDRED 100 and 60 SIXTY 60 THREE 163. So like this we have written their number names also. Our next sum is carry on the pattern. Carry on the pattern means we follow a certain sequence or a certain pattern. We always get example for that. For example, here 3 numbers are already written. 163, 165, 167. Here one number has been skipped, which means after 63, 64 is not written. It's left. After 65, 66 is not written. It is skipped. 167 is written. So it means here we will be writing alternate numbers. We will skip 1 numbers. So after 67, we will skip 68 and we will write 169. Then we will skip 70. We will write 171, 173, 175, 177, 179, 181. Here what we have done, we have skipped every middle number between number. 169, 70 is left, After 71, 72 is left. After 73, 74 is left. After 75, 76 is left. After 77, 78 is left. After 79, 80 is left. So we have written every alternate number. Now comes question number 4, which is addition. You have already done all types of additions. Now these are the additions. Addition with carryover. Addition with carryover. The first sum is 51 plus 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We will write ones under ones and tens under tens. And when we get answer in 2 digits, we write ones under the ones and tens we carry forward. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0 we will write here, 1 will be carry forward. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 we will write here, 1 will be carry over. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 32. 38 plus 53, 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 1 we will write here, 1 will be carry over. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. 91 is the answer. Exercise number D and E you will do yourself, that is your homework. Question number 5, subtract. Like addition, we have done all type of subtraction also. This is the subtraction with borrow. Here, the first one is 25 minus 7. Now we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Here 7 is bigger than 5. So we cannot subtract it. So we will borrow one number from 2. And it will become 15. So now we have to subtract 7 from 15. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Here we have taken one number from 2. So it will remain 1. The second sum, which is 98 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 out of 8. So we will borrow one number from 9. And it will become 18. Now we will subtract 9 out of 18. The answer will be 9. We have already taken 1 from 9. So it is now 8. There is nothing to subtract under 8. So we will write 8 as it is. Then 43 minus 15. We cannot subtract 5 out of 3. So we will borrow 1 from 4. It will become 13. 13 minus 5 remains 8. Here it will be 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The answer is 28. Our next question is time. Draw the hands to show time. First we need to know some facts. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 60 seconds in 1 minute. The longer hand indicates the minutes and the smaller hand indicates the time. In these 3 clocks, we have to show this time. 10 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 1 o'clock. The distance between one number to another number is 5 minutes. Here we have to show 10 o'clock. So what we will do? The smaller hand, the hour hand will be 10 and the longer hand, the minute hand will be on 12. This is 10 o'clock. Now we have to show 6 o'clock. So the smaller hand will be on 6 and the longer hand will be on 12. In the third clock, we have to show 1 o'clock. So the smaller hand will be on 1 and the longer hand will be on 12. This is 1 o'clock. So always remember, minutes hand will always be on 12 if we are going to show o'clock. Whether it is 10 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, whatever. If it is o'clock, the longer minute hand will be on 12 and the smaller hour end will be on the number which we are going to show. Like 10 o'clock, it is on 10. 6 o'clock, it is on 6. 1 o'clock, it is on 1. Now this is time for homework. You have to complete all the pages in your maths book. All the exercises you have to complete on page number 116. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Bye-bye.